You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Rapper Naira Marley appears to be trying his hands on something new for the next year in the entertainment industry. Just recently, alongside Nollywood actress Jayola Kuti on what looked like the movie set, the rapper was spotted. On her Instagram page, the actress posted a video and the two were spotted conversing in the clip as other crew members trailed behind them. From the indications, they were on their way to the venue for a specific scene. In the caption that accompanied the tweet, Kuti revealed that in the upcoming film, she will play the role of Mama Chichi, who is Naira Marley's mother-in-law.
Oh yeah, on the shoot.
Live. Direct. Come on, make it sharp way. Photo shoot.
No say sugar. Ó ti jù náà ṣe ó ṣàtìrí náà ṣe ń jù bàtà òsì méjìlá máa bá wọ̀ sí. Gẹ́ẹ̀ yóò máa gbọ́ gẹ́ng no same true gẹ́ng Malian gang everything
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.